Job market for cloud engineer is still red hot. Companies are still finding it hard to retain and hire new cloud engineers. Especially if you have good cloud engineers in your organization, more and more companies are getting worried about how to retain them and how to keep them. Cloud engineers are a generation that has grown up in a world of rapid technological advancement, even if they have 15 to 20 years experience. They have grown up among social media and sort of instant gratification. As a result, they have different values, expectations, and preferences when it comes to work. This means that organizations have to understand what those values and expectations are in order to lead them right and get them to do all that is required of them. It seems that companies are still trying to adapt to this new era. This video gives you some pointers as how you can retain good cloud engineers in your organizations. First and foremost, when working with cloud engineers, you must give them clear expectations on what you want them to achieve. They value leaders who are transparent and communicate clearly. Providing clear expectations and goals can help them stay motivated and focused. Remember, as their leader, you must strategically show brilliance. Secondly, but very importantly, you need to offer them flexibility. They are the champions of work life balance because cloud engineering involves working late, starting early, working on weekends, and most of the time being on call. Offering flexible working hours, remote or hybrid work options can help them feel more valued and satisfied, hence leading to improved retention. And that will also increase the productivity in your organization. Also, try to make sure to provide meaningful work. In all we do as leaders, we must give them meaningful work that aligns with their values and interests, where they can have opportunity to make a difference, shine, and make positive impact. Also, let them share their achievements and portfolios online without divulging company information. So if you try to choke them to not to use social media at all, whatever they have accomplished, without of course obfuscating and without divulging and leaking company information, then you're doing the wrong thing. Also, make sure you're emphasizing development and growth. Cloud engineers are interested in learning and developing new skills, and that is how they are valuable. That is how they remain industry relevant, and that is exactly why you want to retain them. Providing opportunities for growth and development can help them feel valued and invested in their work. Also, make sure that your organization is leveraging technology because cloud engineers are tech savvy and they're comfortable with digital tools and platforms. Leveraging technology can help streamline processes and make their work more efficient. Also, most of these cloud engineers are not really bootlickers. They are not there to fawn over you. Don't expect too much of that side from them. Once they show respect and they're achieving their work goals, just leave them alone. You will be shocked how most of them will come back almost worshipping the boss. Cloud engineers are an interesting bunch, and if you must lead them, you must have a shift in mindset and approach. They have come to stay. Also, this does not in any way rule out the importance of being resilient at work. I hope that this was useful and it will help you in retaining your cloud engineers. If you have any feedback, then please put it in the comment section. Thank you.